Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about the worst case scenario for crypto.com CRONOS coin. I know it's a video that you might not want to see, but you might just want to. I mean, if you're holding some CRONOS coin, you're probably going to want to know, well, kind of what's the worst thing that could happen here? Or maybe you're thinking like I am, and what's the best possible price that I might be able to buy crypto.com at CRONOS coin before the market turns back up? We're going to talk about that and some key timelines you must keep in mind for the FIFA World Cup. It might not be what you expect. We're going to talk about that in today's video. If you guys like this content, do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. You know, we're bringing you guys 3 videos every single day. If you enjoy the content, subscribing really goes a long way in helping grow the channel and spread the word about crypto. Without further ado, guys, let's hop into the charts and take a peek here at the crypto market cap for the day. We're below $1 trillion. I regret to inform you, but here's the good news. When you look at what's happening with Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin dominance still at about 40%. Ethereum dominance still hanging right at about 19%. Bitcoin still hanging on to 20K. That's pretty good. In case you didn't know, Bitcoin went down today because of some information that the Fed came out with in a big conference they did in Colorado, the annual conference in Colorado, where Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell came out and said that they are still remaining hawkish on inflation. They're trying to get inflation down to 2%. And so they're on the fight doing that. So they expect to raise interest rates still. So be on the lookout for that. That's why we're getting some fear. Hopefully things turn around this weekend. 30K Bitcoin before the end of the month. That can't really happen at this point, guys. I mean, anything's possible, but we're hanging tight. We're kind of waiting for a bull run to come back around. Ethereum getting hit a little bit worse than Bitcoin today, down 8% versus Bitcoin's 5%. And, kind of the same story with our wonderful CRONOS token, 6% meeting halfway between Ethereum and Bitcoin on the downward side. But a lot of you guys might be wondering, well, what is the worst case scenario for CRONOS coin? Well, I'm going to talk about that right here. So when it comes to CRONOS coin, you gotta look at the chart. So this is the weekly candles for CRONOS. And I wanted to pull this up for you guys and kind of walk it through. So you'll see here, this was back in November of 2021, where we came out with the news of a $700 million naming rights deal for the Staples Center for Crypto.com. And that's when all of us CRONOS holders that bought over here made a lot of money. And if we were just holding on, it came right back down. Smash the like button if you guys are hodling just like me. If you rode out these waves, right? Maybe you took some profit. If so, I applaud it. I love that. I love to hear that. We got to take profit when it's up and we got to buy when it's down. Well, it's down, so I hope you're buying. But you might be wondering, well, what's the lowest price I can buy this project at? Shout out to one of our friends in the chat who said, they're waiting for a 4-cent CRO. Well, I can understand why they said that. Now, am I saying CRO is going to 4 cents? Not necessarily. Because I'm going to share with you guys some stories where I am bullish on CRONOS, for the record. Very, very bullish. But when I look at this chart and I'm trying to figure out what the downside for CRONOS is, I'm looking at kind of some of the recent lows, and I'm looking at those for levels. So when we look at the bottom of these candles, you're looking at 10 cents there. So, touching 10 cents again, very, very possible. Okay, well, what if we go lower than 10 cents? Well, where can we go from there? Well, when you're looking at 10 cents, now I got to look at the bottom of this little red wick right here, and I'm seeing, okay, well, looks like 7 cents could be possible. I think that's a reasonable number for CRONOS to hit. Now, if Bitcoin continues to go down and we see a 10K Bitcoin, I think we could easily see a 7-cent CRO, which would be fantastic if, by the way, if you didn't do so already, if you didn't see my video on how many CRO do you need to be a millionaire, I highly recommend you check that one out because I'm going to tell you guys exactly how many tokens you need in that video. But when I'm thinking about how many tokens, we need here to be a millionaire on CRO, the cheaper it gets, the more tokens we can get. So a 7-cent CRO should definitely pique your interest if you're trying to target that number and you're not there already. What are some other numbers we should be on the lookout for? Well, I just basically look at the next low, and right there, there's that 4.7 cents that this fellow was talking about in the chat. I like to think of it more about 5 cents. When you dig down, you'll dig a little bit deeper into the numbers. I'm seeing about 5 cents. That makes sense to me. Going any lower than that would be very shocking. But hey, even if it did go below, I am so excited to have an accumulation opportunity because you get rich in the bear markets, folks. You don't get rich in the bull markets. Now, your assets go up in the bull markets. That's where the money's going up. But you get rich because you bought when it was very fearful, when the prices were very low. And that's exactly what we need to look out for. So this name of this video should be, what is the best possible price you can buy CRO at? Smash up the like button if you're thinking that way. But that's exactly where our mind's at here. And I think it could be as low as 5 cents, possibly even 4.5 cents, like our friend in the chat was saying. Anything's possible with crypto. Don't invest more than you're willing to lose. This isn't financial advice, guys. I've been in this market since 2015, 2016. And been through all the different waves, all the different emotions. I've made all the mistakes. I've made all the great plays. I've been through it all. I've gotten scammed, you name it. But one thing's for sure, and one thing stays true. If you buy during a bear market and you buy coins at a discount, when they go back up, you'll be looking good. Well, what am I bullish about for crypto? Well, here's one. The countdown to Qatar 2022, the FIFA World Cup. We've talked about this before, but here's something new that we didn't talk about. What's the actual timeline for this? In case you didn't know, Crypto.com is the FIFA World Cup exclusive crypto sponsor for this tournament coming up. And this is a very long tournament of several games across weeks, if not months. And the tournament starts in 85 days, 23 hours, and 47 minutes. Soccer is one of the largest sports in the world, with over 30 billion, maybe even over 50 billion people watching, which is unbelievable. And you might be wondering, well, when does this game? So 85 days. Yeah, is that true? Is that accurate? Well, I was looking at some of the matches. You can see the schedule. The first game comes out on November 20th, and then 21st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. It goes all the way through December 18th, and that is the finals. And so that's basically what we're looking at. And you're going to have, what is this? So from November 20, so about 1 month of Crypto.com at the center of the stage for one of the biggest sporting events in the world. So what am I saying? If CRO goes down, and it does magically get down to this wonderful level of 5 cents, man, oh man, if that happens before November, we could get a huge pump, and you could have a huge opportunity to make some really quick gains on Crypto.com. There's also a chance that maybe there's a spike through the fall into the winter, and then come January, maybe the markets tumble, and maybe we go down to that 5 cent level from there. Let me know what you guys think could happen in the chat box down below. I'll tell you this. My theory is that there will be a spike during the FIFA World Cup. I do believe we will come back down, and then I believe we are waiting and we are accumulating crypto until 2024, 2025, where the prices will go back up, the Bitcoin halving will come back around, and then we'll have a chance to make some money. Let me know what you guys think about that in the chat box down below. You know what? That's all I got for you guys, but here I want to leave you at this. We are currently on our journey to 10K subscribers. And when we get there, we're going to give away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So make sure you subscribe. All you got to do is tap the button right there to enter this giveaway. By the way, if you like free money, take advantage of the link in the description down below. You can trade crypto on Femex. You can leverage trade on Femex and earn up to $4,100 of a sign-up bonus if you open up a trade by doing so. We will give any subscriber that signs up for Femex an extra entry towards our 1,000 Bitcoin giveaway when we hit those 10K subscribers. I hope you guys are ready to win some money here in the giveaway. I'm certainly excited to get to 10K. I love this CRO community. I love all you CRONOS folk out there. I absolutely love the project, and we all love crypto here. Hope you guys are having a great Friday night. getting ready for the weekend. That's all I got in today's video. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, do not forget to DCA, HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Got 2 videos right here for you guys to check out. If you like the content, stick around. Watch another.